A Windows-based voice-controlled assistant that integrates with Yahoo Mail, provides news updates, and performs various tasks through voice commands. Microphone voice control, hands-free operation using speech recognition. Read emails from your Yahoo inbox. Newspaper news updates, get latest headlines in various categories. Bar chart daily briefing, comprehensive summary of emails and news. Speaking head text-to-speech, natural voice responses. Globe with Meridian's web search, quick Google searches via voice. Yahoo Mail account with app password enabled. Git clone https://github.com/chalazani Srinivasulu 2-glitch/yahoo-mail-assistant.git pip install our requirements. Text create a .env file in the project root. Yahoo_email equals your_email at yahoo.com. Yahoo_app_password equals your_16_character_app_password. News_API_key equals your_nosapi_key_. Here step 1. Enable two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication. Navigate to account security. Rightward arrow generate app password. Select other app and name it, example voice assistant. Copy the 16-character password, paste it in your .env file as Yahoo_app_password. Step 3. Configure IMAP/SMTP access. IMAP is automatically enabled for Yahoo Mail. No additional configuration needed. Python Yahoo_mail_assistant 2.py assistant. You have 3 unread emails in Yahoo Assistant. Here are the latest general news headlines. Assistant, good morning. Here's your briefing for Monday, November 8, 2025. IMAP_server, imap.mail.yahoo.com, smtp_server, smtp.mail.yahoo.com, adjust speech rate and volume in the __init_method, self.engine.set property, rate, 150, speed of speech. Self.engine.set property, volume, 0.9, volume, 0.0 to 1.0, verify your Yahoo email and app password in .env. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled. Regenerate app password if needed. Check Windows microphone permissions. Adjust for ambient noise duration if needed. Test microphone with other applications. Speak clearly and at normal pace. Check internet connection. Google Speech API requires internet. PyAudio installation issues on Windows. Never commit your .env file to version control. Keep your Yahoo app password secure. App passwords are less secure than OAuth 2. Use with caution. Regularly rotate your app passwords. Yahoo_mail_assistant 2.py main assistant script.env environment variables, not in Git. Gitineary Git ignore file requirements. Text Python dependencies readme.md. This file contributions are welcome. Please feel free to submit a pull request. Create your feature branch, git checkout b feature/amazing feature, commit your changes, git commit m add some amazing feature, push to the branch, git push origin feature/amazing feature. This project is licensed under the MIT license, see the license file for details. Speech recognition library for voice input. Yahoo Mail for email integration.